Hello everyone. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, go towards the right side and roll the hair in on itself. Now take the left section of the hair, tie it up, add another section in the middle, roll the hair in on itself, pull it through the top section that you have created and bring it through the right side as such. Now join this portion of the hair with the other section and then begin to braid all of the hair together. Once you have done this, pin up the hair as such. Use a bobby pin in order to pin it up. Use a decorative pin on top of all of this. This is what it should look like. Next, we will start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself as such. Now, make two sections out of the hair aside from the initial section you have created, wrap it around the initial section and tie a rubber band to it. Roll this section of the hair in on itself and then tighten it. Loosen out the sides as such using your fingers. Do this for the top section and the bottom section as such. As for the bottom, make a braid out of the hair as such. Roll it upwards and then use a pin in order to fasten it in its place. Use a decorative pin in order to do so. This is what it should look like. We have chosen to use the rainbow colors for this decorative pin. Next, we will start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, and then at the bottom, tie a low ponytail. Now, divide this ponytail into three parts. In the middle section of it, tie a rubber band to it. Add a rubber band on the right and the left side too as well in the middle section. Now, roll the hair in on itself as such. Do this for all three of the sections that you have created. Once you are done with it, join it at the bottom, roll it up into a bun, take the excess amounts of hair that is left over, insert it into place so that it does not stick out. Use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place. Use decorative pins on either side at the top as such. This is what it should look like. Next, we'll start off by taking these decorative butterfly clips. Start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. As for the bottom section of the hair that is left over, wrap it around the top section you have created and then tie it up on top. Roll the hair in on itself, gather all of the hair together, braid the hair and then roll it upwards. Pin it up at the bottom using a bobby pin and then cover up the rest of the hair around it in order to make it look all the more uniform. This is what it should look like. Cover it up entirely. Add a butterfly pin on top of all of this as such. This will be the final look. You may also slightly loosen the sides in order to make it look all the more aesthetically pleasing. Now you may also use the red color clip if you want to do so. We have chosen to use both the red and the blue clip. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, add another section in the middle, and then roll the hair in on itself through this section as well, and then pull it up through the top. Tie a low ponytail, add a rough band in the middle of this low ponytail, roll the hair in on itself, and then the sections you bring out, roll each of these sections in on themselves, and then pull it through the top as such. Use bobby pins in order to fasten each of these sections in place, and then use a 5-pronged decorative clip in order to make it look all the more better. Tie a ponytail out of the hair and then roll this ponytail in on itself as such. Add a rubber band in the middle, roll the hair in on itself, and then loosen the sides of the sections as such. Use a pin in order to fasten it in its place. Use a decorative clip in order to do so. Next, we will start off by tying a clip to the hair as such. We will need this twisted kind of clip. Gather the hair together around the finger, twist it into a bun, and then insert your clip on top of this. Thank you for watching.